This dust bag is crafted from high-quality non-woven material and undergoes an ultrasonic laminating process to ensure superior sealing performance. It efficiently filters dust, dirt, and other tiny particles, including smaller ones, thus effectively keeping indoor air clean and healthy. Additionally, it boasts a high dust holding capacity, allowing it to collect a significant amount of dust and dirt, reducing the frequency of cleaning. This dust bag is expertly crafted and optimized for excellent durability and strength, making it resistant to breakage and ensuring long-term use.